Oh, what a wonderful. The baby is secreting saliva from the mouth. Generally, babies are secreting saliva very beautifully, very nicely. So, this is also one of the important factor in the nutrition in animals, particularly digestive system, my dear friends. Mouth and the buccal cavity. Mouth also called a oral cavity or a buccal cavity in human anatomy. Orifice through the food and air enter the body. The mouth opens to the outside at the lips and empties into the throat at the rear. Its boundaries are defined by the lips, cheeks, hard and soft, palates, and glottis. This is the part of the expanded parts of the lips. This is the tongue. It is divided into two sections. This is vestibule, the area between the cheeks and the teeth, and the oral cavity proper. The latter section is mostly filled by the tongue. This is the tongue, the large muscle firmly anchored to the floor of the mouth by the frenulum linguae. In addition to its primary role in the intake and the initial digestion of food, the mouth and its structures are essential humans to the formation of speech. So this is all about the anatomy of the mouth and the buccal cavity. Saliva secreted from salivary glands. Saliva dissolves some of the chewed food and acts as a lubricant facilitating passage through the subsequent portions of the digestive tract. Saliva also contains a starch digesting enzyme called amylase, that is taline, which initiates the process of enzymic hydrolysis. It splits starch, a polysaccharide containing many sugar molecules bound in a continuous chain, into molecules of double sugar maltose. Anything you can say that saliva secreted from the salivary glands, you can have the wonderful things. It is a biochemistry. I will tell you about this is the saliva which is secretes from the mouth, whether it is a baby or even the adult. If you have a wonderful smells of the taste of the food which we like more, automatically the saliva comes out. That is the speciality, the unique nature of the human body. Now here, see, saliva contains an enzyme called salivary amylase, which hydrolyzes starch into maltose. The complete digestion of starch occurs only in the small intestine by the action of pancreatic amylase. The activity of enzymes is strongly affected by several factors such as temperature and pH. Saliva contains the enzyme amylase, also called taline, which is capable of breaking down starch into simpler sugars such as maltose and dextrin that can be further broken down in the small intestine. About 30% starch digestion takes place in the mouth cavity. This is the human digestive system, which starts from the mouth, the continuity from